So using the same technique as in the previous transition example here, we can use this track mat here and shift that over to the left, so the end of the track mat is at the end of the clip. We can then take the clip we want to transition to and either extend it or shift it over to the beginning of the track mat, make a cut, and then take the second half of that clip and move it down at the bottom there. Then nest it, apply your track mat, or wee shortcut, you can copy the track mat key effect from another clip that you've already done. Right click, paste attributes, track mat key, and then just go into the effect controls and just make sure that it's all fine. We're dealing with an alpha channel, an alpha layer now. You can tell because we've got these black and white checkered squares. Go back over to the program menu, select alpha, make sure it's on video layer 3 because that's where it is. Wherever your track mat key, track mat footage is, just make sure it's the same in the track mat key, and then when we push play, we get the clip bleeding through the next clip. We don't need to add a dissolve or anything there because we're trying to make a glitchy looking effect. And if we wanted to, we could take our footage here, move that to its own new layer, and then we can play around with the opacity, any other type of color effects, or drop the opacity of that, so then we can get an even glitchier looking, the greens and blues of the footage there. And something else I usually like to do is, if I set this up from the beginning again, delete that, and using the same track mat as before, if you position your glitch right in between the two, at the beginning of the clip make a cut on the clip below that, and at the end of the clip make a cut on the clip below that. Duplicate your footage by holding Alt, then nest this footage. In actual fact, before we even nest it, what to do is just move that to a layer on its own for the meantime, drag that along, and then, so basically what I've done here is, this is like an extension of the previous clip, and it's overlaying the next clip, and then vice versa. And now we can nest this, and what we'll actually be doing now is creating a bleed between the two clips. So the next clip's going to be overlaying the top of this clip, and the previous clip will still be showing over the top of the clip it's transitioning into. Apply a track mat key, set it up, and then you get this effect. And if you go frame by frame, you can really tell the subtlety of this. There's the next clip bleeding through, the next clip's already started, but we're still seeing the previous clip. Seamless. Overlay the track mat, so then we can use that as an overlay. Set it to linear add, or soft light, or hard light, or vivid light. Drop the opacity a bit so it's just subtle. Love it.